Hey friends, welcome back to Unit 2, Week 2, Day 3 word work with Miss Withers. Our learning targets for today is I can read and sort words with closed syllables. Well, you might be wondering, what is a closed syllable? A closed syllable is a syllable that ends in a consonant. So, met, beg. That T and the G is a consonant. When a syllable ends in a consonant, the vowel before it says the short sound. So, m-et, met, is the short E sound, followed by the t closed syllable T, consonant. Beg, b-egg, beg. E has that short vowel sound, and then that consonant G, egg, beg, makes it a closed syllable. Met and beg are only one-syllable words. So when we look at our examples for today, we're first going to be looking at how many consonants are there in this word and which syllable has the closed syllable in it. Is it the first syllable or the second syllable or maybe both? So this word, invite, invite, invite. I see that there are two syllables in this word. Invite. That's a short I, and the N is a consonant. So that is definitely a closed syllable. Vite, vite. Well, that I is a long I, so that must not be it. So our closed syllable sound is in the first syllable, invite. It's in the first of two. Let's take a look at our next word, frozen, frozen. 1, 2, frozen. Two syllables. Now we need to try to find our closed syllable, fro, fro. That O is there, but it's not followed by a consonant. Let's look at the second syllable, zen, zen. Ooh, a short E sound followed by a consonant N, zen. So the second or last syllable has our closed syllable sound. The last syllable, first or last, frozen. Let's take a look at our next word, basket, basket. I count two syllables again, basket. And I'm looking at my first syllable, bass, ba. Oh, that A is short, followed by the consonant S. So my first syllable definitely has a closed sound. Let's look at my second syllable though. Ket, et. A short E and a consonant. So the second syllable has a closed syllable sound too. So we're going to say both. We are going to say both. All right, let's take a look at our last example. Public, public. Well, I count two syllables. Public. 1, 2. And let's see where our closed syllable, will it be in the first syllable or the last one? Ub. Short U sound and a consonant. So it's definitely in our first syllable, but will it be in our last one? Lick, ick, ick. Yeah, that's a short I, ick, followed by a consonant. So once again, it is in both the first and the last. So today for your work, you're going to highlight and sort the letters in each word that make the closed syllable. You need to make sure you color code. So, for example, public, the one we just did together, has a green highlight for the first closed syllable sound and a blue highlight for the second closed syllable sound. If I were going to do frequent, I hear frequent. The second syllable or the last syllable is the one that has the closed syllable sound. Ent. Free is an open syllable. Quent is a closed syllable. So I would highlight it and put it in the last column. You're going to highlight and sort and then submit your slides. Good luck!